Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of CDs compact discs. Even though CDs are less popular today, they were revolutionary in the way we stored and played music, movies, and data. But how do they actually work? Let's break it down. A CD compact disc is a type of optical disc that can store digital data. Unlike vinyl records or cassette tapes, which use mechanical and magnetic methods to store sound, CDs use laser technology to read and write information. CDs were first introduced in the 1980s by Sony and Philips, quickly replacing tapes and vinyl as the main format for music and data storage. A CD is made up of several layers. Polycarbonate layer, the base of the CD, where data is stored as tiny indentations called pits. Reflective layer, usually made of aluminum, it reflects the laser beam so that data can be read. Protective layer, a thin plastic layer that shields the data from scratches and dust. Label layer, the top part, where the design or album art is printed. CDs store data in the form of tiny pits and lands, flat areas, that spiral outwards from the center. These pits are just a few micrometers in size and are arranged in a single continuous spiral track. Instead of electrical signals like in magnetic tapes, CDs use light and reflection to encode and read data. CD players use a laser beam to read the information. Here's how it works. 1. The CD spins inside the player, typically at speeds between 200 and 500 RPM, rotations per minute. 2. A laser diode shines a laser onto the disc surface. 3. When the laser hits a land, it reflects directly back to the sensor. 4. When the laser hits a pit, the light gets scattered and less is reflected back. 5. The CD player interprets these reflections as binary data, ones and zeros, which is then converted into sound or other data. The key to this system is the constant linear velocity, CLV, meaning the CD spins faster when reading data near the center and slower towards the edges. There are different types of CDs for different uses. CD-ROM, read-only memory used for software and games. Audio CD stores music in a digital format. CDR, recordable, can be burned once using a CD writer. CDRW, rewritable, can be erased and rewritten multiple times. Each of these uses the same laser technology but with slight differences in material and structure. Even though CDs were a huge innovation, they eventually got replaced by digital downloads and streaming services. Some of the reasons for this include limited storage, only about 700 MB of data or 80 minutes of music. Scratches and damage could make them unreadable. Streaming and USB drives offered more convenience and storage capacity. However, some people still love CDs for their high-quality audio and physical collections, and that's how CDs work. Even though they might not be as popular today, their technology was groundbreaking and changed the way we consume music and data. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech explanations.